Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to design buildings, engineering drawings, floor panels, maps, or technical diagrams professionally? If yes, then AutoCAD is one of the most important software tools you can learn. In today's tutorial, we will start from very beginning. Even if you have never opened AutoCAD before, don't worry. By the end of the lesson, you will understand the AutoCAD 2027 interface, essential tool, navigation technique, and how to design creating your first drawing. So without further delay, let's get started. Before we open the software, let's understand that what AutoCAD actually is. So AutoCAD is a computer aided design or CAD software developed by Autodesk. It is used widely by civil engineer, architects, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, interior designers, urban planners, GIS professionals, surveyors, and manufacturing industries. AutoCAD allows user to create precise 2D drawing and detailed 3D modeling with professional accuracy. Instead of drawing on paper, engineers now paper digital drawing that are easier to edit, share, print, and store. Let's see where AutoCAD is commonly used. So there's a lot of use for civil engineer, roads, bridges, drainage system and land development, architecture, house plan, office buildings, floor plans, elevation and section, mechanical engineer, machine part, gears, engine and product design, electrical engineer, electrical wiring diagrams and circuit layouts, GIS and surveying, survey maps, cadastral maps, utility mapping, and infrastructure planning. Manufacturing, mainly it's product design and fabrication drawing. If you are studying engineering, architecture, GIS, or surveying, AutoCAD is essential skill. If you don't have this AutoCAD 2027, just comment in the video. Then further, I will try to show you another tutorial how to get the AutoCAD 2027 freely. So here I already registered with the AutoCAD Autodesk account. I already have, so I simply use it. So first of all, when you open the AutoCAD, then we can get this type of interface. So here we can get some panel. We can get some design, different types of floor plan, sample, data extraction, assemble sample. It's a default. You can also change the list if you want. Okay, as well as you can also search your file from here. Okay, as well as you can get some announcement from the Autodesk. Okay. As well as if you check, we can also open. So open, suppose any new open files, open a sheet set, or explore the sample drawings, or you can easily open from your drive. So you can also from your drive. And as well as you can see the new. So here you can see the drop down menu. So we can easily get the browse template sheet, get more templates online, create sheet set. Or if you want, you can simply it will be open the new interface of the drawing tool, 2D tool. So here you can see the all of tab. You can see this is the home tab. Then you can see the insert, annotate, then parametric, message, output, adds in, collaborate, express tool, feature apps. So different types of tab we can find out. So home tab we can see we can get different types of drawing tools. So we try to explore all of those, how it will be work, all of those tools, how to use for the different types of drawing. And insert, we can easily insert different types of file. We will see this about the later. So annotate, we can also use it, parameter, okay, also view, manage, output, okay, and then adds in, collaborate, express tool, feature apps. So we try to explore all of those. Then I hope you can get the more better idea. So if you check, this is very important. It's a command, okay, it's a type of command. Suppose in your system anyhow this command tab is not available. Suppose just I remove it. So then yes, so you can see it will be just removed. So now how I can get the command tab? So just press Ctrl +9, so then it will be appeared again. So in the command tab, we can easily use different types of command and easier to use the AutoCAD for drawing. So first, if I just put here the units and enter, so then it open this type of drawing units. So here you can see we can easily set our type. Mainly we can easily set the different types of type: decimal, architectural, engineering, fractional, scientific. I should put the architectural. And further precision, we also set the precision. You can see different types of, I set suppose 1 by 16 inches, just I use it. And further, you can see the intersection scale. So you need to scale inserted content. So you can see the inches unit phase So different types of unit you can easily use in here. So I put suppose inches. Then you can see the international. So just I put the international. Okay. And also you can see the angle. Angle you can choose the decimal, degree, minute, second, or guards, radians, surveyors, unit. So I put the decimal, degree, unit. And precision we also check about 0.0 or 0. Just I put only for the 0. Okay. For after the decimal I don't take any number. And further just I okay. So now it will be set this unit. Okay, with that, as well as if you check, we can get the this type of model. So you can see the, if I just click on here, so then it will be remove all of grid. So you can see grid is not showing. So we also measurement all of those. So we try to explore all of details how to work. Okay, just keep in touch with this YouTube channel. So I hope you can learn all of those and also learn all of update about the AutoCAD for the different types of designing 2D and 3D we try to cover. So thank you for watching that. Stay happy, stay safe.